Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the stream of knowledge. Today we will learn about Staphylococcus saprophyticus or Staph saprophyticus. We already learned about staph in our previous lectures, so let's repeat. Staphylo mean grape-like cluster and coccus is the cocci or round-shaped bacteria. Mean the bacteria that are round and live in grape-like clusters. Okay, saprophyticus are those organisms that live on decaying material, and this pretty good picture tells us that saprophyticus are gram-positive. They are cocci or round in shape and arranged in grape-like cluster. Okay, and one very important thing that it is facultative anaerobe. All the staph species are catalyst positive. We already learn about it. They produce catalysts which break down the hydrogen peroxidase into oxygen and water, and this oxygen will appear as bubbles, mean the test is catalase positive. And it is coagulase negative, mean does not produce coagulase enzyme, and it show white colonies because it does not produce any pigment. As you can see here, these are the white colonies, while it also show no mannitol fermentation. If as you can see here, this is epidermis, but saprophyticals also show no mannitol fermentation. As this is the staph aureus, there is mannitol fermentation, and hence the color has been changed as the mannitol has been consumed. While the staph saprophyticals does not consume mannitol, meaning it does not ferment it, and hence the color is remain pink. Okay, it shows gamma hemolysis. Gamma mean no hemolysis at all. As you can see here, there is no hemolysis, and it is shown by staph saprophyticus. That's very good. One very important thing that staph is the normal flora of skin or and mucous membrane of urogenital tract. It's very important. You must remember it's normal flora of a urogenital tract. But how it can cause disease? It causes disease when it is transmitted by sexually. It is second main cause of UTI. After E. coli, it is second main cause of urinary tract infection. It is transmitted by sexually as it is normal flora of urogenital tract. But mostly it causes cystitis, mean inflammation of bladder. How we can diagnose that this UTI is caused by saprophyticus? First of all, gram staining, it will appear purple if. Then go for the catalase test. If the bubbles produce, it means it's staph species. Then go for the culture medias. If the white colonies, no mannitol fermentation, coagulase negativity, then there will you have to differentiate between epidermis and saprophyticus. Then go for the novobiocin, which is an antibiotic. Or its sensitivity test. If the novobiocin is resistant, then it simply means this is saprophyticus. That was very short video about the staph saprophyticus. If you really enjoy the video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.